From arts and crafts to corrugated box manufacturing, hot melt adhesives help hold things together. Viking Pump is proud to be a part of the hot melt pumping market. Hot melt adhesives are thermoplastic polymers that soften when heated. These adhesives are typically handled between 350 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In process, hot melt is typically applied by a local system that melts the adhesive and dispenses it using integral pistons. Other systems use pumps whose speed can be adjusted to match system requirements. Viking Pump has many Spur gear or external gear pump options. These pumps are cast iron, offer compact installation, and capacities up to 190 gallons per minute. 224A series pumps are cast iron, internal gear pumps. They come with jacketing for heating the pump and have capacities up to 500 gallons per minute. Finally, 1224A ASP series pumps are cast iron and utilize Viking Pump's O-Pro cartridge seal to minimize leakage. These pumps have jacketing for heating the pump and have capacities up to 400 gallons per minute. When it comes to high-temperature operation, Viking Pump has plenty of options available. To learn more about Viking Pump and pumping hot melt, please contact your local Viking Pump distributor.